Whether you're selling your house or just looking to make a change, total transformation starts from the inside out. It starts in the home and in your heart. I'm Tanya Memme, and I've been on television for over 24 years helping hundreds of families stage and redesign their homes and their lives. It's time to reimagine what's possible, to capture a new vision. We're all reinventors by nature, and now more than ever, we're all adapting to the circumstances around us. Total transformation happens in times of uncertainty, when we have to let go of the past, embrace the unknown, and have the courage to find our finally. To reinvent and reimagine our lives, we have to restage our environment, both in our homes and in the internal spaces within us. So many of us have hit rock bottom, and I know it's not easy, but lessons are earned in moments of great vulnerability and in the tenacity to never give up. So how do you do it? How do you let go of the past and reinvent and restage the new? Well, it's in this question, the how, that is the art of successful living, successful leading, and successful loving. We all have that little seed inside of us, that unwavering part of us that knows we deserve it. I personally have witnessed this magical shift happen with thousands of people across the country. As I've guided them through it, I've seen how profoundly this affects their lives. It's the day when possibility becomes your reality.
Wow, this is beautiful.
It is within all of us. We are all capable of finding our finally.